ladies, and welcome back to the Chic Soul YouTube channel. My name is Savannah, and since it is officially October now, and that means Halloween is right around the corner, so today I'm going to be putting together some outfits for you guys. Typically most of them that you will have in your closet, but if you are wanting a specific item, we will have everything mentioned in today's video linked in the description box down below, so that way it's super easy for you guys. But let's just go ahead and get into these outfits. I am so excited. Hey all you cool cats and kittens, I'm gonna give you guys like 3 seconds to guess who I am. Okay, if you haven't, thought of it by now, I'm Carol Baskin, okay? I'm the queen of quarantine, if you will, because I think everybody was watching that whenever, quarantine first started. This look is a little too iconic. I'm obsessed with this. This is very much like hippie, boho, but like also very busy, if you will. She's quite the style icon. So we have some little tie-dye with these like little leopard leggings. We didn't have any tiger print to really commit, but we did do the cat ears and the flower crown. We just had to give a crown for the queen, of course. What else would you expect? And then we have these really crazy shoes. You guys, I honestly feel like Carol Baskin right now. I can't look at myself in the mirror without just laughing because this look is just too iconic, but I'm really here for it. What do you guys think? And say you're wanting to recreate this look at home, it would be super easy to do that. All you would have to do is some type of like tie-dye top and literally all of the leopard and animal print that you have in your closet. I think that that will be a pretty easy way to replicate Carol Baskin. She is just too iconic in that sense. So that's a little easy way to recreate it at home. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto. You guys, this is a little too iconic for me. I'm having a very full circle moment because I was actually Dorothy from Wizard of Oz whenever I was much younger, and it was hands down one of my favorite costumes. But this is a little, this is so perfect, okay? I'm obsessed with the blue and white gingham, so if you're trying to recreate this at home, literally any type of blue and white gingham that you have, honestly, if you even had like a blue and white dress, that would be perfect. And we don't have like any glitter heels yet at Chic Soul, but if you guys were curious on ways that you can recreate it, you can do these burgundy booties that I have on, or these sneakers as well, which we do have live on our site in case if you want to check them out. But I decided to do the little red bows in my hair with the braids and the basket. I just need a little Toto dog. So that's really the only thing I'm lacking. But you guys, I'm obsessed with this look. Hands down, one of my favorite things ever. And now I'm really contemplating on doing this for Halloween this year. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. What do you think I am? I'm gonna give you another one, okay? I don't know, just like, how did you stop that band? It just like, appeared. Okay, I'm done with the charades, you guys. I'm Bella Swan from Twilight. So she definitely kind of has like a more grungy vibe to her. She normally does like all black looks or dark neutrals, something like army green with the combat boots. I feel like that was a big staple. It was a staple too whenever the movie came out. I know I was definitely wearing combat boots like every day in middle school, whether they looked good or not, but that's besides the point. Also, you're gonna need like an apple or something for your prop. It just kind of works out. I don't know. It's like very reminiscent of the book cover, but this is kind of how it looks. Also, I did like a utility jacket. I just feel like that's 100% something that she would wear back then. So this is a little overview of the look. And this is not something that I would normally wear personally, but it's a really easy outfit. I feel like everybody kind of has these staples in their wardrobe already. So if you're really like just not sure what you're gonna wear for Halloween, this would definitely be a great look. All right guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a little hint as to who I am. This one might be a little hard to figure out, but I'm Sarah from Outer Banks. And this is the little outfit that I kind of figured out. So Sarah always has kind of like a little bit of midriff showing with like a little crop top or something. And obviously since it's gonna be October, most places it's a little bit more chilly. So whenever you're out trick-or-treating, you can just pop a little cardigan on. I also have some super cute mom jeans on with some tennis shoes because her and John B are always running around trying to find the money. So if you have a boyfriend or a husband, you can always like dress up with him. He could do a little John B outfit. He could do like a navy bandana, a graphic tee, or a short sleeve button up, and then some board shorts, and you guys would be the perfect couples costume. I think that this look is really fun, and I really like how kind of like colorful it is in a way, and I also like the little kind of accents with the bracelets and jewelry and whatnot as well. So that is the costume here, and let's go ahead and move on to the last costume. Okay guys, so if you're really wanting to commit, and I mean commit to a look, we're giving very much rocker vibes, very grungy, just like dark tones, all of the things. And this is probably one of the easiest to recreate because everybody has a pair of black denim or dark jeans in their wardrobe, basic black top and a darker jacket. And if you don't have any like darker makeup like this, all you have to do is just go to the dollar store and buy it for literally $5 and your look is achieved, okay? This is very much just like super fun and different. I typically wouldn't go for something like this, but I honestly think that this is super fun, you guys. It's very much rocker. You know, we're serving Hot Topic queen vibes. I'm honestly kind of here for it. I can't lie. This is something just super fun and a little unique. So if you guys like it, please be sure to comment down below. And that is going to wrap up today's video, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I am seriously cracking up at some of those outfits. They were so much fun to do, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Also be sure to comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween this year. I would love to know what you guys are thinking about. I think that it is super fun to like see all the creative different ideas. Also, congratulations for watching this entire video. So you have won a discount code. It is Curvy Style 15 for 15% off of your order today. And also, if you guys have not yet, please be sure to check in every Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. We post a new video every Thursday on those days, so be sure to check that out, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.